Hello everyone, once again. So today uh, is a let's say about this pre-market forex analysis. Okay, wait a second, guys. Yeah. So what's happening actually in pre-market analysis? In pre-market analysis, if I tell you about this pre-market, uh, yeah, this pre-market analysis is let's go from 1st of February. So from 1st of February, what's happening in gold? We go at around 1 hour time frame. You can see here time frame. It's 1 hour time frame, and let's see how does it consolidated. What's the uh, supply zone? What which is the demand zone, resistance level, support level, everything. So let's see today from 1st of February. We will go from here. Yeah. So what happened? Actually, it opened at this level around 2046.397. From here, it actually came down till here at this point, which is around 2039.788. From there, it they consolidated and it's just a doge thing, and it came down and it touched this level around 2034.864, and from here they have some pullback. They got some pullback exact at around 2049.878, right? Yeah, from here, and from here it came down once again and it made one uh, double top, but it didn't touch that double top. It came sort of down because of this liquidity zone here, and from here it came down once again, and again market manipulated the retailers once again, and it went and it touched the level of 2065.54 476. You can see this resistance level at this point, and it consolidated from 1st of February till around 2nd of February. I think there was some news at this point because of this big manipulation, and it came down till around 2034, and we can see the downside market from here, and you can see this market, this candlestick is unfilled candle, as you see here, because this is a very big candlestick that you see here, and it took somewhat pullback and it came down once again with the initial candles and everything. And at these candlesticks we can't decide because this is not appropriate candles and this is not decide candle. This is inappropriate candle I that happened here. And from, see, you can see here inappropriate candles, which is big candles, indecision candles. And from here it went upside once again and it touched this level around 2034.973. You can make it as a this level as one of the biggest resistance, 2039.788, and it came down once again, pull back around 20. See, as I seen here, this pullback here have same constant, this big consolidated here around 2030 or 2029. Let's see, is it? chance of anything. I think it's small support zone here. We will make one small horizontal ray. It's fine. Okay. And from there, we can see it came down here, right? Once again, it touched this level around 204. Sorry, we were here, right? Fine. Came down and we got this candlesticks and it bounced back and it touched this level around 2044 something, and it, see this level, we can see it as a consolidating level, not consolidate, sorry, liquidity level at this point. See, this level is liquidity level. Actually, this went down, we got everything here and came down once again, and it's actually made this type of 2021 is one of the another resistant level at this point. Am I right? Yep, it is. It should be 2020 or 2020. You can keep it as another horizontal ray at 1 hour time frame, and it came down. It touched this level around 2012.735 once again, and from there it went back. It again that touched this level around 2030. Somewhat we got some breakout structure, fake breakout structure, and by the manipulation of this news, it came down and we got very big sell side indecision candle, indecision candle, and incomplete candle too. And you can see somewhat indecision candles, and again market to fill this candle, it went up from here. See 1993, 1995, or yeah 2000. You see, yeah. Again, what happened on 19th of yeah, you've seen here this 2020, that what I draw here this line. This is just a proper resistance line, but it took some breakout structure, fake breakout structure. It came down once again, and again it touched this level around 2014 to 2013, but we keep it as a 2014 as a somewhat resistance, and our strong resistance is around 2016.178, and it built liquidity, and it, see this W-shaped pattern here, and it went up, and this is our biggest resistance that I told you, 2030, right? So this is one, and we got a double top and came down again. It touched this resistance level. Again it came around support till support level once again. Again it did the same exact level around 2034.927 once again, and came down again at 2020 level, came down again and touched the same 2016.7102 level, and boom. And these levels are so important to mark it out. So that's simple thing. What it can happen means, one, it's near around 2034, and it touch, and its level is around 2041, its highest level yesterday. So I think the market should, this should go from here on spot, bounce back from till 2045, and it should come down till here. This is one possible way. Okay, and another possible way is, it can come down once again from here, and it can consolidate from here and boom from 2045, and this is one chance. And again, if it come down till here, and again it can move from till here and say this is another chance. This is two. You got these two sides of this thing, two possible ways. And my third thing is about from here, it can come down and it can go up till around 2045, and it can also go up till around 2050. There is that two possible ways. It can breach this level and breach this level too, and it can go till level. Before entering anything, I recommend that this one pullback or some one decision calendar should take it necessary. It's important. And if does it trade miss, don't worry. It sometimes happens, but this is very important here. So this is one of the thing that what I'm telling you about this uh, gold. So it's important level that you have to be very important to get this thing at this point. So this is one of the important level. This two is one of the important level. This is also one of the important level. It can come down. It can go up till here. It may be possible. It can also it can consolidate at this point like this. It can come down and consolidate like this. Once again, it can go up. That also one pure thing. And if doesn't happen, that too. If it doesn't happen, that too. I think there is a high possibility of chance to go here and consolidate at 2045. Boom till here. And I will quit this position at this point. This is very important position that I was thinking into. So this is one chance. So before get this trade is from tomorrow, because this is a good chance to get this trade, and it can go till around 2000 or 2015 if does it breach this level around 201 25 or 2020. If does it breach this level, it definitely it can hit this 2015 level or 2016 level once again. And the second thing, if it breach this level too, and again, I think it can come down till 2007. It's our another important level at this point too, because 2007 is one of the important level, and we can see this level around 20, 2000 level also our important level too. This level, yeah, this level, yeah. Got it. This is one of the goal that you have to be very important and we this thing. So gold is important. So you can see this US dollar once again. So we have to analyze this US dollar. We'll go there right now. Okay, what's happening in US dollar? Before they say gold is somewhat different, and everybody thinks that US dollar against gold. And do you know what? It can be US dollar, it can be US government bonds too. Yeah. In this 1 week candlestick, in this 1 week candlestick, uh, you can see this in US bonds. There is a high probability of chance that it can go up right at this level, right? So this 1 week candlestick, it can go up at till this level, and it's actually building its liquidity at this level. So I think it's important to get to know that whether it will reach this. If that reaches this level, gold sure it can come down. Yeah, it can come down once again. It's important level. And the same thing if I go for around this dollar zone, and dollar is very weak position. It's in prominent uh, this resistance level. It can come down. Boom. We don't know what will happen, but let's see. Its confirmation is very important before what it takes. In 1 hour candlestick in dollars, in 1 hour candlesticks, in 1 hour candlestick, what you see is it's in somewhat resistance level. It can come down and it can touch this level 103.654, or it can also go till this level, yeah, 104.212, like boom, I consolidate, boom, boom, go like this. Can there's a possible is if does it happen, there is a high probability of chance to gold go till around 2050. It can breach that 2045 level. Am I right? Yeah, that's one of the chance. So as you see here, it just reached this level of trend line in dollars index breach and consolidating, and it can also once again can go. See, it just breached, came down, went consolidate. It can go up to the liquidity, and came down, can come down once again. So that's one of the possible ways right here in DXY. So it's important. So same thing as DXY goes down, DXY will get very weak. So as if DXY gets weak, US dollar gets weak, right? So as a US dollar gets weak means US pairs like US CAD, USD CAD, or Euro USD. In Euro USD, Euro will get very high pump on this thing. So let's see if what is happening in Euro USD too. So it's my actually I am trading USD, but it's just a mark I just put on this USD trade. So if I go for a 4 hours candlestick, see USD is in bullish. Sorry, Euro is in bullish. It can go once again. So as I told you, Euro dollar can come down as gold can come by retracing its level once again. So this is one possible ways. And the USD CAD, whatever USD CAD, in 4 hours time frame, it shows consolidating level. It can come down for USD CAD once again. See, at this level, USD is very weak at this point, and it can come down once again. No time frame, it can go and it can come down. There is a high possible way. That's the one thing. And what happening in US oil? See, US oil right now is one of the major support. At US oil can go like this, and pooh, it can go up. This is one of the chance it can go up. It's in major support position. till I can tell it can go up till around 78.70617, or it can breach the 79.50, or it can go for around 82. So that's one. US oil. It's actually manipulating. US oil actually manipulate, but you have to take care about it by the stop losses and all. So it's very important that it's in a position that it touch this support zone at this point, and you have to take care about this. I'll show you in this 30 minutes time frame. So see, touch this level around 76.204, right? Yeah, 76.204. It came down and it touched it and breached that resistance, and it can breach it, pull back. It can possible way it can get a pull back and go up, or it can see. I told you confirmation is very important, and if they get the confirmation of like this, see, came down, went up, or it can come down with a W pattern, or it can breach this to get a liquidity at this point, and boom, you don't know. And second thing, it can came down, can be higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It can go like this too. Otherwise, there is another chance that another chance came down, sorry, came down, went up with this liquidity here. Boom. They can another possible ways, or another possible ways. It can come down, came up, liquidity or consolidating at this level. Boom. Till at this point around 75, and add to one of the resistance at what we are talking about, right? It's true. So this is oil. We done with the gold, and second gold can come down and it back set back. Oil, DXY, Canadian dollar, Euro, USD, everything. Simple thing. Yeah, that's it. This is what a pre-market analysis is about in Forex. Uh, I told you before, after opening the market, open of market, you have to very confirmation about the candlestick, and confirmation about the patterns, and confirmation about resistance level and support level, and you have to think about where the liquidity is forming. Liquidity forming is very important to go up or down to for a trend. It's very important to add everything to get that liquidity. So that's it. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Thank you, guys.